Hey guys, so welcome to another Salinas vlog, or in this case, a skit. So anyways, I was thinking, during distant learning, everything is a lot different as the school year has started. So I always wonder, are you guys like my friend Billy?
Good morning, class. I hope you guys all had a great evening. Today we're going to go ahead and start off on chapter 2. But before we get started, let's go ahead and review the answers to the questions of chapter 1. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start off with Billy. You want to go ahead and answer number 1 for us? Billy, are you there? One more time. Billy, can you go ahead and join us?
I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Billy,
can you say that again?
can you go ahead and give us... I'm sorry, Billy, are you a little busy? Billy, can you...
sorry, it was the audio. I couldn't unmute it.
Can you go ahead and answer number 1 from yesterday's homework?
It is 7 divided by 4. I don't know, I got lost in that one. Five more minutes. What time is it? Oh, I'm late now. Oh man, I'm so sleepy. Is everybody in class? Let me log in. Alright, I'm logged in. First one. Yes. Let me get my... Oh, no phone. My book. Okay. I'm ready for school. I'm ready for school. And an eraser. I'm ready. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the skit. It was a lot of hard work, sweat, and tears. I had a team this time of 3 people helping me out for this skit, so thank you everyone that helped out. You know who you are. yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope I got you guys to smile. And please, don't be like Billy. See you guys next time. Nos vemos.